Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to create an index in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. An index helps to increase the SQL search performance. So in clustered index, leaf nodes will point to actual data. Let's get started. We need to open our SMS and connect. Under Object Explorer, click on Connect and connect to our instance. Now we need to expand our databases, select the database we want to work with, which is DemoDB for this purpose. We need to expand our tables and select the table we want to create the index on. For this purpose, I'm going to use the dbo.healthcare table. I'll expand it. You can see I have column keys, constraints, I have triggers, I have indexes. So let's see whether we have any index created. We have no index, so I'll right click on it, click on new index, and then I have my options here. I'll select clustered index. Once I have my clustered index window open, I have my table name, which is healthcare. Now I need to name my clustered index. We have to give it a meaningful name if based on the column you want to create the index on. So I'll expand my columns here, and then I want to create it on patient ID. So I'll add it. So anyone who sees the index knows it has been created on this column. The next thing you need to do, you have your index type, which is clustered. And then here you come to index key column. Click on add, and then you check the box for the column you want to select. Now you can see the data type, the size, identity nulls, no nulls are allowed. So I'll check this box and click on OK. Now I have my column added. Now here you see sort order. You can change it. It is on ascending order. You can click on it and change to descending order. Right. So a clustered index determines the physical order of data rows in the table based on this column. Once everything looks good, what you need to do is to click on OK, and then you can see under our Object Explorer, you can see we have, or under our table, you can see we have the clustered index created. Okay, you can see we have our clustered index created, and that's it. You just created a clustered index in SQL Server. Clustered indexes are crucial for optimizing query performance because they sort and store the data rows in the table based on the index key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.